The next command I'm going to use is the touch command. The touch command is used to create empty files in your current working directory. So we're going to type the keyword touch readme.txt. So when I hit enter, the next command I'm going to use is the rm command, and the rm command is used to remove files or delete files on your file system. So let us remove or delete the readme.txt file using the rm command. And the file readme.txt is gone. So I'm going to go back and create the readme.txt file again. So I'm going to use the touch command to do that, and the name of the file. So I want to get out of the auto folder and go back inside of the Linux tutorial folder. And the command to do that is the cd command, which will take you from directories to directories. You can use the .. and the .. would take you up one step. So right now we are in the auto folder, and .. will take me back to the Linux tutorial folder. So before I use the cd .. I'm going to use the pwd command so it can print my current working directory, cd .. command. And now I'm in the Linux tutorial folder. So I'm going to use the pwd command again, and it will print exactly where I'm at. So now I'm inside of the Linux tutorial folder.